where do you work? I mean, what's your occupation? What semester are you in? How old are you? And where do you live? Yes. Ah, Sevilla Valle. Okay. How long have you been working? Ah, okay, since last year. So this is your second year working there. Okay, and how do you like the experience? Yes, your teaching experience. Okay, excuse me, give me a second. Ingrid, is that you? Ah, okay. Yes, now I can see you. I'm waiting for Karime and I'm waiting for Adrian. But I don't know what happened to them. Adrian, can you see me? Hello, Adrian? And Karime, I'm expecting these two students, Karime and Adrian, in order to see them. Okay, so you were telling me that you work for a private school in Sevilla Valle, that you work in high school, and from January 2017, and that has been a nice experience for you. It's true. When you work for a school, for private schools or any school, you make a good management of many new things, grammar, activities, behavior management. So it is very good. Okay, people, I think there are some problems with three students. I'm going to hang up and I'm going to call you back again. Yes? To see if I can join Karime, if I can join Adrian, and another person, Heidi Joanna. Yes? Okay, I'm going to hang up and I'm calling you back again. Hello, Heidi. Is that you? Hello, how are you? So I'm going to call back again. Yes? I'm going to hang up and call back again. Okay, Adrian. Okay. Who's that? Heidi or Karime? Hello, Karime, how are you? I'm pretty fine, thank you. Okay, Karime, where do you work? Karime, Colombo Americano, where? Ah, in Buga. Good, I work in Colombo Americano, Cartago. Okay, how are you doing, Karime? And what courses do you teach? Mm-hmm. How many students do you have? Good, and how long have you been working for the Colombo? 12? That is really nice. Okay, and how do you like teaching, Caribe? Mm-hmm. Yes. And how long is a module there? It's for a month. Ah, okay, good. Pretty much the same we have here in Cartago. Ours is 17 classes a month, and we also have fundamentals, top-notch 1, top-notch 2. Okay, thank you, Karime. Karime, can I ask you for a big favor? Can you please turn your mic off? Okay, thank you. Okay, and the last person I have here is Ingrid. Ingrid, how are you? Okay, that sounds really good. Ingrid, what's your occupation? What do you do? So you are not working in this moment. What semester are you in? Seventh semester. Okay, very good. And why did you like to study the BA in English as a foreign language? Mm-hmm. I'm sorry, where do you live? Timbio, Cauca. Ah, okay. Good. Okay. Adrian, are you there? Adrian? It is so weird that I can see Adrian. I mean, I can see his icon, but I cannot see him here in the encounter. Okay. Okay, chicas, my name is Joanna Gordon. I'm going to be your tutor this semester in conversation class. I love this career. I love teaching, and I have been teaching for about 15 or 17 years. I have worked for the Colombo all that time, and I hope we can have a good time and learn from each other. And well, I know this is something like it's somewhat tiring to have classes this time, but because of my schedule at work, I could choose this time for you girls. Okay, people, I'm going to explain a little bit about the methodology, and I'm going to begin by showing you the rubrics that we have for every encounter. By the way, girls, did you take the quiz? No yet. You took it, and what was the score, Karime? Very good. Okay, and Ingrid, did you take the quiz? Okay. What hobbies or interests do you have? Okay, good. And what do you enjoy most about learning English? Mm-hmm. Okay, Ingrid, very well done. You got the 2 minutes. Remember, chicas, you have to answer the 5 questions that you have there. Not only two, but the 5 questions, yes? Okay, who wants to be the following one? Joanna or Karime? Joanna? Hello?
The last thing I celebrated was Christmas. That was my last celebration. I celebrated with my family. We ate a lot. We even danced, but only with my family. My mom, my brothers, my sisters, some cousins. That's how I celebrated. Like, it was very familiar. We didn't do anything different. We didn't go out. We stayed at home.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Teacher, can you show the questions, please? Because I didn't see them.
Please, chicas, I would like to ask you for a big favor. Don't leave this session because, for example, Natalia was asking a question and we were waiting for your answer. We didn't know what had happened. And suddenly we saw that you weren't there. So don't abandon the session,
I'm sorry,
please.
teacher.
Okay, so Karima, can you please pick one of these questions and ask one of your classmates that question?
Can you show the questions, please?
Yes.
I didn't see them.
I'm sharing my screen right now.